Anthem's AVM70 and AVM90 home theater preamp processors give you 15 channels of audio processing power, audiophile quality internal components, 8K video support, and Anthem's powerful Arc Genesis room correction. If you're a longtime listener unwilling to compromise on surround sound and stereo music, or a professional installer planning a custom build, these preamp processors deliver the goods. Since these are preamps, they don't have a built-in amplifier. They're the brains of your system, decoding surround formats like Dolby Atmos and DTSX, and then sending their audio signals to separate power amps. That means everything inside these preamp processors, or pre-pros, is dedicated to audio and video reproduction. The AVM70 gives you 15 channels to work with, plus 2 discrete subwoofer channels. Discrete in this context means you have control over each sub individually, which is essential for balance and timing when running 2 subs in your home theater. All 15 channels, including both sub-channels, give you the choice of traditional RCA or balanced XLR outputs. The balanced connection, if your equipment allows it, gives you the cleanest signal and best signal-to-noise ratio. The internal processors deliver 4K 120Hz and 8K 60Hz video to every HDMI input and output, and can decode immersive Dolby Atmos and DTSX surround formats. With 15 channels to play with, you could build a 9.2.6 surround system with 6 overhead speakers for height effects. Of course, you can build any configuration you want, not to mention leave yourself room for expansions down the road. One way to expand is to take advantage of the AVM70's multi-zone capability. You have a Zone 2 HDMI output, plus a pair of stereo RCA outputs, so you could send audio and video to a second room fully independent of your main zone. The Zone 2 outputs are discrete, offering standalone control even when Zone 1 is in use. You'll get an impressive array of inputs, both digital and analog, including a phono input for turntables with a moving magnet cartridge. It's a great streamer too, with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and it works with AirPlay 2 and Chromecast audio. Anthem also gives you virtual inputs, which lets you mix and match your video and audio sources, no matter what physical input they use, to create your own presets. This makes it easy to switch what you're watching and listening to. Say, like when halftime of the game comes on and you want to stream music, but still keep an eye for when the third quarter starts. Or maybe you'd like to play video games while listening to your record collection. With your virtual inputs set up, it's easy to switch what's playing on the fly. We're just scratching the surface of the capabilities of the AVM70. An audiophile-grade DAC converts digital music up to 32-bit 768 kHz into analog signal ready for your amps. A beefy toroidal power supply helps ensure high performance and virtually no noise in your picture and sound. No matter what you ask it to do, the AVM70 is ready, with high-quality internal components that live up to Anthem's rigorous standards. Anthem's Arc Genesis speaker calibration system provides the cherry on top, matching your new system perfectly to the room it's in. You'll need a laptop to run Arc Genesis, and using the included microphone, you'll follow the steps in the software to measure your system's sound at different listening positions. This should be similar to any other room correction software you may have used in the past. Arc Genesis gives you a couple modes to choose from, auto and professional. Professional mode lets advanced users fine-tune and make adjustments before uploading the results to the unit, while auto mode is a bit more user-friendly. You can check out our video on Arc Genesis setup to get an idea of what exactly is involved. Once you've chosen your preferred mode, Arc Genesis will analyze the audio data and create a response curve that helps compensate for the real-world things that get in the way of perfect audio in any room, like odd layouts, open areas, and even the furniture. The result is sound tailored to your space. The AVM70 is all most of us would ever need to build a dream home theater system. But for the most demanding audiophile, we have the AVM90. The AVM90 offers 15 channels of processing, the same inputs and streaming ability, and even looks about the same as the AVM70. It does give you 4 discrete sub-outputs instead of 2, but why does it cost nearly twice as much, and is it worth it? The short answer is yes. The main difference between the two, other than the AVM90's 2 extra sub-outputs, lie inside the chassis. The AVM90 uses a more robust power supply, higher output op amps, premium circuit boards with isolating ground planes for reducing interference, and better components throughout the entire design to create the most pristine signal path possible. The AVM90 uses better DAC chips, arguably the best on the market, which help elevate the sound even further. The ESS 9038 Pro DACs help give the AVM90 more dynamic range and an even better signal-to-noise ratio than the AVM70. We're getting a little in the weeds here, but remember, DAC chips are vital to getting good sound from digital sources, but that's not the full picture. It's how they're implemented with all the other internals that matters most. In the case of the AVM90, the internal design upgrades, plus the implementation of top-tier DACs, adds up to a truly world-class audiophile and cinema experience. It's synergy at work, where the sum of its parts just adds up to more and better. I'll make it easy for you. If you want the best sound Anthem has to offer, get the AVM90. If you're at the point where you need one of these processors to accomplish your AV goals, you want the most precise control possible over your sound. That's what Anthem delivers. They give you a high-quality, flexible, powerful preamp, and then the fine-tuning to mold it into exactly what you want. If you're on the fence deciding between these two incredible preamps, we can't blame you. Just get in touch with us. We love talking about home theater, and we'll be happy to help choose the right component for you. My name is Rodell. As always, thank you for watching.